Hey, it's Gretchen here, Catnpaws. Happy Friday. So, I don't got much going on as usual, but I'll show you what is happening. Look at this candle. Yes, I'm calling it quits. I called it quits so much, I just, when I put it out, the whole wick flew over and I just said, I'm done with it. Gosh, that thing's sooted. This is Yankee Candles, Candy Cane Lane. If I had to put a point system on it, maybe a 1.3? I don't know. So, this is what I got going on. I'm just working on some crafty things. It's like Valentine's Day. Threw up on my desk. And just stuff's everywhere. Because I'm working on those pen pal envelopes that Jan from Jan's Crazy Life made. She did a live stream. And so I'm attempting to do them too. And I'm going to do a project share with this because there's something, I just altered it very, very slightly. But not the front. So here's one. The only problem I have found with this is it's kind of ripping on the end where I keep folding it, so I need to leave it alone now because I'm done with it and I got lots more to make. I'm so slow on making stuff, I tell ya. Yikes. Don't wait for Gretchen to get something done because you'll be waiting forever. I also made some shakers. So I made that one and that one. And that one has a lot of you know, stuffs in it, embellishments, right? Yeah. Yeah, can you see I kind of went just a little bit crazy with the stuffs. This stuff's right here. There's the heart one. There's the, are they hexagons? Decadrons? I don't know. And then I made this one. I kind of actually like this one. It's the most clean and simple one. And I like how it turned out. Just a couple hearts, just a couple gems, and a sticker. And a little acetate piece in there that came from this pack here. I think I got this at AC Moore. AC Moore Tuesday morning. It's a toss-up which one it came from. And I thought, I'm running out of acetate pieces, right? There's one. And there's another one. When did those pop out of the bags? So, just working on those. I want to try to get them done this weekend. Wow, I really put a lot in that. Now that I'm really, you know, taking a hard look at it, but oh well. What was I going to say about this? But I'm getting better. A little bit. And what else do I got going on? I don't think much else. Now I remember what I was going to tell you. You're rad. Okay, different angle. I'm just sitting here at my crafty desk and working on these pocket envelopes that I showed. And that's what I got going on. Not much else. Cold, cold, cold. The wind is blowing so hard. It's like, I don't know, cold. But probably not as cold as some other places are. So I can't complain too much, right? My lips are, you know, kind of dry from the wind blowing on them. What else is going on? The big games this weekend. So we're not doing anything. We'll probably just watch it, go to bed. I got to work on Monday. But you know, I live just on in the Philadelphia suburbs. So they're anticipating either way a crowd after the game. So what they did, I think these last two games the Eagles played, they actually greased the poles, light poles with Crisco so they wouldn't climb up them, and they were still successful at climbing up the poles. So this time they used gear grease. That's what I read somewhere, that they're going to use gear grease on the poles. So I guess, as you know, the patrons tried to climb up the pole and they're going to slide back down. Who knows? After this last game, I don't know football, or the playoffs or whatever, there was actually a bunch of fireworks set off and other rowdy noises. So, you know, I swear Philadelphia has some of the worst fans and some of the best fans. They just get all caught up in the game, it seems like. Anyways, that's enough about game talk. I guess I'll just close it up. Again, if you hear that, Bella playing with her treat ball. See, my lips are... I have chapstick. Where did I put it at? Oh, let me grab it. I guess it's really lip balm. So I'll give a shout out to my sister's shop. This is what I've been using. Pomegranate. That's everything in it. There's the website. And it comes sealed. There's a seal that I broke to open it. And that's what it looks like. You know me, I get it all lopsided. I've been using it for a while. And then it has a twist top. So, I could hardly speak. My lips kept sealing themselves, you know, shut. Week 6, money challenge. Let's see what we get. Feel like I have a couple there. Well, it's another big one. Week 6, 18. Yeah. Wow, we knocked out some big ones these past 6 weeks. Yikes. But get it out of the way now, and then, you know, when we'll have those very, very low numbers. So eventually. Put it away. 18 for week 6. I hope everyone has a great weekend. Stay warm if it's cold outside, and stay cold if it's warm outside. So, does that make sense? Maybe not. Talk to you later, guys. Bye. Can I just tell you, I'm sitting here on the couch relaxing with my pajamas on. And this... This is in my face right now. Yes. Getting her gloves on. Aren't you? Oh, that's close.